This is the Nordic Negroni, a very simple 3-ingredient cocktail. The first ingredient is the Aalborg Aquavit, which is a Danish toffel, which means table, so it's a very crisp, clean caraway aquavit. Now we're going to add the Campari, which is a bitter apéritif. And we'll follow that up with the Cocchi Torino, which is a fairly rich and sweet vermouth. Add ice. Stir for about 30 seconds. A Negroni is usually made with gin. This is a great way to get people to try Aquavit because it is similar to classic bitter cocktails that are popular right now. Strain and pour over ice. Express and garnish with fresh orange peel. Expressing the orange peel distributes the citrus oils atop the drink and improves the nose. And that's the Nordic Negroni.